One of the first questions home buyers ask is, how much house can I afford? But I think there's a better question. How much house can I comfortably afford? Because qualifying for a mortgage is one thing. Living with that payment every month while still having money for everything else is another. Hi, I'm Nathan Pierce, and I help make mortgages and home financing easier to understand. Today, I'll show you how to look beyond the maximum amount you may qualify for and find a housing payment that actually fits your life. A common mistake is starting with the price of the home. Instead, start with the total monthly payment you would feel comfortable making. That payment may include the principal and interest on your loan, property taxes, homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance, and possibly homeowners association dues. So, when you see a mortgage calculator showing only principal and interest, remember that it may not be showing your complete housing payment. Some of these costs, especially property taxes and insurance, can also change over time. Your mortgage payment isn't the only cost of owning a home. You may also have higher utility bills, routine maintenance, lawn care, appliance repairs, and unexpected expenses, like a broken water heater or a damaged roof. Ask yourself a few important questions. After making my complete housing payment, can I still cover my regular expenses? Can I continue saving for emergencies and retirement? Can I handle a car repair or medical bill? Can I still enjoy my life without relying on credit cards every month? If buying the house would leave you with almost nothing after paying your bills, the home may be technically affordable, but it probably isn't comfortably affordable. Before deciding on a comfortable payment, review the last few months of your actual spending, not the budget you wish you followed. Your real spending. Include groceries, transportation, childcare, subscriptions, entertainment, travel, debt payments, and irregular expenses like insurance or holiday spending. Then decide how much room your budget honestly has for housing. Rules of thumb and online calculators can provide a starting point, but they don't know your priorities, your family responsibilities, or what helps you sleep well at night. Next, think about the cash required to purchase the home. Your down payment is only one part of it. You may also need money for closing costs, moving expenses, furniture, immediate repairs, and an emergency cushion. Using every dollar you have to close on a house can put you in a vulnerable position the moment something unexpected happens. The goal isn't simply to purchase the home. The goal is to remain financially stable after you receive the keys. Here's a simple test. Imagine making the proposed housing payment today. Then imagine that your insurance increases, your property taxes rise, or you receive an unexpected repair bill. Would your budget bend or would it break? A comfortable home price should leave you with some breathing room. It may be less than the maximum amount a lender is willing to approve, and that's perfectly okay. Buying below your maximum isn't failing to use your purchasing power. It's choosing financial flexibility. Before deciding how much home you can comfortably afford, answer these 4 questions. What will my complete monthly housing payment be? What other homeownership costs should I expect? Will I still be able to save and handle emergencies? And how much cash will I have left after closing? Those answers will tell you far more than a home price alone. In the next video, we'll discuss the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval and why knowing that difference can save you time and frustration.